Hi, this is Cooking with Tia, and I'm going to be showing you how to make pineapple fried rice with fresh pineapple. If you don't have fresh pineapple, you can use canned, which tend to be sweeter, but fresh is always the best. I have jasmine fried rice here that I already cooked up. You can use old rice if you want, leftover. Okay, the ingredients I have are, I'm going to put cashews. I'm going to be toasting some of that. I have onions chopped up. I have bell peppers and chili peppers, spicy bell pepper to give it color. The contrast of the pineapple yellow and red makes it pop out. And then I'm going to have shrimp. I have cilantro and green onions, garlic, eggs, 2 to 3 eggs. And for seasoning, I have fish sauce, sugar, MSG, black pepper. And for fish sauce, you can substitute for soy sauce, or sometimes I'd use half and half if I want my rice to kind of be brown. And sugar, you can substitute palm sugar too, that's fine. Okay, let's get started on my fried rice by cutting the pineapple. Okay, here's the pineapple. I'm going to cut it. Look how yellow it is. It's really ripe. So this pineapple should be sweet. Cut in the middle. The pineapple is really sweet. This juicy pineapple. And I might not use a lot of sugar in here because to build this, I could probably use the pineapple. Okay. That should be enough for pineapple there. Cook about 2 cups. I'm going to start by toasting my cashew. Little bit of oil. Then stick, that's already non-stick. Heat this up. The reason I want to toast it up so it won't get too soggy and it makes the cashew more crunchier. I mean, it's already crunchy, but I want it really more golden brown. Okay, toast for a couple minutes on high. Okay, set that aside. Now I'm gonna fry my eggs. Yes, you can fry your eggs in the pan with the rice. I like to add mine separately. In here I just add green onions and a little bit of fish sauce to season. This time with my egg I like to use sesame oil, a little bit. Don't use a lot. Sesame oil is pretty strong compared to the regular oil. You can smell the sesame oil. Pretty strong. And you don't want to really put it too high, it'll burn. And it'll give probably a bitter taste if it's too burnt, the oil. This is about 3 eggs. I like 3 eggs. I like a lot of eggs, so I'm going to do small batches at a time. Oops, this one I forgot to put garlic in. That's the in with it. I'll do the next one. I still have plenty of a garlic. Got three, probably three even to do so. Okay, I heat up the pan. Mix that. I'm gonna start by cooking the shrimp first. Just a little bit of oil. Go ahead and put in my garlic. Let that sizzle. And this portion I was going to use for the full rice, but I'm going to make half of it. So I'm going to use half of the portion of the shrimp and rice. Okay. Go ahead and add the onions. Half of the onions. Now I'm going to add my bell pepper because add it all. That was only 2 bell pepper. Let that cook for a little bit. Now I've already sauteed the bell pepper, onions, and garlic. Okay, I tossed in half of the shrimp there. 10, 12 shrimp. Let that cook for a little bit. And go ahead and add black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Shrimp's almost done. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. You don't want it to overcook it yet. Just enough. Maybe 75% of the way. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my fried rice. I'm going to add half of it. And this is about 2 tablespoons. I might use 1.5. We'll see. See. Yeah, use 1. 2 is probably too much. So I use 1. Go ahead and add my 1 teaspoon of MSG. I'm not going to add sugar yet. I think I have the pineapple juice that I might use. And then the pineapple is really sweet, so turn it up. Incorporate it in. I don't want to add the pineapple so till the end gets soggy, and then also the nuts here, the cashew nuts. Okay, I'm gonna turn it down. Go ahead and go add the pineapple. It's done. Add the juice and pineapple. I'm gonna add half of the pineapple. Okay, go ahead and turn it up, toss it in. Okay, I want to taste my rice, see if it's sweet or how I want it. I can add. Yeah, that's good. So I didn't add any sugar to it. I think it's already sweet enough from the pineapple. So up to you if you want it sweeter, you want it salty, add whatever you need to put in. It's ready. I'm going to add the red peppers, chili pepper, make it spicy. Now turn it off and then it's done. Go ahead and add my cashew. Leave some for topping or this half. And my onions, green onions and cilantro. Okay, turn it off and just toss it and it's ready to eat. Now I'm gonna place it. Pineapple fried rice. Top it off with a little bit of egg. Just a couple pieces. Put it at the bottom. You can add a little bit more cilantro and onions.